What's this we got here? Oh man, I didn't see what's held up by that. Yep. This one's been here, GLT. I've seen this one before, but yep. It's a 95. I'm already in the process of, I want that because that stays up. I think going over some bumps. You think that'll stay up? I think so. Because the one in mine doesn't. And so I'll be taking that today. What do we got? Automatic, Econ Sport. No boost gauge though. I wonder if that speaker's any good. Anyways, looks like I'm gonna need 10. Get that up out of there. So let's retrieve what I need. Well, I got it. And had to get a little bit brutal with getting the wires undone because I forgot to bring my clippers with me. Oh well, at least I think it's the correct interior color. It's kind of hard to tell since the vinyl's been redone in here. The leather doesn't even match the leather in the back or the interior in here at all. But hey, at least this part, hey, made in France. So there we go. That's the OEM part, maybe a replacement, who knows. I see solder, so I know that somebody's been in here already, so could be aftermarket. Got it though. Just found this 06 2.5T. Looks like it was in a rear end collision and caught fire. I have never seen that on a Volvo in my life. It burnt. It burnt good. Damn. Wild. Speaking of wild collisions, there's a 2002 E55. That looked like it hurt. Hope nobody was sitting in the back. Actually, not that bad. He probably got some pretty bad shoulder injuries from that, but shit. Looks pretty survivable to me. That looked like a hard-ass hit, too. Damn. That was a pretty car. Oh, man. Looks like something went through the windshield. Oh, I don't want to think about that. I don't want to think about it. That don't sound good. I don't want to think about it. Damn. Shit. Just went off road. How fucking hard that shit hit. I hope nobody died in this wreck. Holy shit. Oh, my God. It has begun to rain. I am still on the lookout for a 2010 Toyota Corolla. Here's a 2002. It's got tint on it. I don't think that glass is going to work. I want to think it will, but I really don't think it will. Oh, look. A 96 850 GLT. Ooh. With rims like mine. Very nice, very nice. It's already been looted, I guess. As if these things have anything that you can actually loot from them. Oh, that one stays up nicely, too. Let's see. Basically be the same thing, I think. I think this one's a little cleaner, but yeah, it's got another sticker on the back though that this one doesn't. This one would only have that one in my car. I think I'll hang on to this one. Uh-oh, someone was using the donut. Yeah, I don't think whoever was driving this car really deserved to have it. It is still raining, and I am still looking for, hang on, it's a 98 Camry. I am still looking for a 2010 Corolla, and I am stepping in mud. How fun is that? All right, let's keep on tromping. Gonna find my Toyota glass someday. It's an 04 Corolla. Maybe that might have some glass that I could take out of it. Oh, this is looking promising. This looks exactly like the glass that I was dealing with earlier. Let's give it a yank and see if it's it says 04. It might be the same window, but I'm not sure. We're gonna have to check. Let's see. Oh boy, it's at 96. With the Gunsmoke gray interior, the cloth, I like that. Oh man. Automatic. A&W root beer drinker, black and mild smoker. Someone was looking for some audio parts, and someone didn't bother to replace the headliner. I do like the differentiation in the door panels there. Somebody got creative with their door panel covers. Somebody liked this. Enough to replace parts that fell off. 96, 50, Volvo on call. Some history. It's a Volvo on call. Sticker premium membership card. Maintenance records. Was it kept up with? Was it kept up with? Looks like it. So like I said, somebody liked this one. Man, the one day that I didn't show up to come and scrounge for Volvo parts, I am just finding 850s left and right that are pretty legendary. Oh, you see that? What's it got? Boost gauge. Fuck. That's right. A turbo. Austin native. Looks like. Only got 138K out of it. Damn. That's a bummer. Unless the... Ooh, there's more glass on my head than I thought. Unless the odometer broke, they tend to do that. Side distributed. It's like the setup in the turbo versions of these was a little bit wild. Yeah, that was still the 5-cylinder though. Pretty dope with the eye wipers. Still can't find my damn Corolla though. And it's still raining. That looked like a bad wreck. And again, with the crazy Volvo finds. Gold edition. What the fuck? Look at this thing. It's a 97 S90. Oh, it's flooded. But, dang, look at how damn plush it is back here. This looks executive. These back seats look better than the freaking front seats do. Holy shit. Ah, someone who went through their mail. Oh shit, don't close on me, please. Damn. Have you seen it in here lately? So this is what Volvo's executive line looked like when about the time that my car came out. Premium sound system, just like in my car. Those big old fucking blowers. Everything else kind of really basic. The bolstering on these seats, though. Dang, it's plush. Looking minty, for the most part. I like the gold badging, though. Here, check this out. This is what... Damn. Gold edition. With the gold accoutrement. I love it. Needed golden hubcaps, but I don't know. I have a soft spot for this line of ones, even though they're crap. Well, I'm officially in Americaville. I'm surrounded by Fords, and I still haven't found what I need yet. So, may have to get creative. Oh, Ford Windstar, mailed in. I like the cage in the back. Kinky. Okay. What's we got over here? More Fords. Yeah, I've strayed way too far into America, and I need to get back over there to Europe to get my Corolla parts. So let's tromp back over there. Well, I've gotten what I needed, or at least I think I do. This is out of an 04. I don't know if it'll fit the 2010, but it's got the same hardware, and the door looked basically exactly the same. I just, hopefully the window glass actually fits. If it doesn't, oh well. I can always bring it back because of that. And, well, and I got this thing for my own car. So let's pack it up and get the hell out of here. Okay, here we go. What the fuck? What the shit?